5 Home Remedies for Cold Sores. 1. Rub garlic on the sore. It might seem strange, but it's really very reasonable. Garlic possesses impressive antibiotic and antiviral powers. Thus, rubbing garlic over a cold sore blister is a highly effective solution. Don't worry if it stings at first, it won't last long and you'll get rid of that unsightly cold sore. 2. Milk. Cold sores are caused by the herpes simplex virus. One of your triggers could be an unbalanced diet. You should keep in mind the fact that you obtain 2 essential amino acids through the food you eat, lysine and arginine. Lysine tends to prevent cold sores from forming, while arginine feeds the virus and causes it to reactivate. Milk is rich in lysine, so it's highly effective to alleviate and prevent the onset of cold sores. 3. Aloe vera. The gel from the aloe vera plant can help dry and heal a cold sore. To achieve the desired effect, you have 2 options. You can buy aloe at a natural store and apply it with a cotton swab. However, if you have the plant at home, all you need to do is open the leaf and place the gel over the sore. In no time, this simple technique will get rid of your cold sore without chemicals, odors, or pain. 4. Table salt and water. This method takes a bit more effort, but it's very effective. As you know, salt is exceptional for healing, so don't forget about it. What should you do? Place a pinch of salt on the tip of a wet finger. Place your finger over the sore for 2 minutes. Moisten a cotton ball in warm, salted water and press it to your lips for a few minutes. Repeat this procedure until the sore heals. 5. Increase your intake of vitamin C and E. Combining good nutrition with the solutions we described above is your best bet. To speed up your recovery and strengthen your immune system, you have to increase your consumption of the following: broccoli, kiwi, oranges, avocados. In specialty stores, you can also buy pure vitamin E that can be directly applied to the lip. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.